Hello, my friend. This is Casey from Santin Electromedical Company. Thanks for visiting our Facebook. We are professional manufacturer of intelligent protection spray and one of top 10 enterprise in Chinese generator sector industry. Today, I will introduce the spray candy. Our company devotes itself to developing and manufacturing higher performance long-range spray. That's the sufficient spray equipment providing a whole range of professional home mist dust suppressing solutions and spray equipment which is suitable to a large area pest spray and other areas. Our trademark TDM with completely independent property and patent technologies. All of the products we have passed RFO and CE certification. Right now we have the sprays from 30 meters, 40 meters, 60 meters, 80 meters, 100 meters, and 120 meters. The tap, we have fixed tap, high tower tap, trailer tap, and vehicle tap. You can choose any tap you need. Spray equipment is used to disinfection and for dust in the air. During the situation of worldwide epidemic of COVID-19, our spray cannons are used for disinfection. This is the photos of the COVID-19. They also have many other uses of the fog cannon, such as open spaces, cement plants, garbage dumps, construction sites, industries such as steel industry, chemical industry, cement plant, city construction, city cleaning, and so on. Now I will introduce our product advantages. Please look at our fog cannon. First of all, on the outside, most of other factories are non-stainless steel. We are 304 stainless steel materials in our fog cannon. You can see the outside. Regarding the notice, we are out-ring notice and bullet center notice. The other low-end products are more like our older generation products, only out-ring notice, no center notice. Yes. For example, this fog cannon is the spread is 80 meters. That has 90 notice with this fog cannon. In other factories, the low-end products cannot reach this notice quantity. The most important point is the energy saving. Our 80 meters fog cannon total power is 27 kW. The minimum follow-up data of domestic is 35 kW. In terms of noise reduction, we can reach 65 dB at 7 meters. This is the lowest in China, and it can reach 85 dB at 20 meters in the civil industry. This is a big difference. If the dust has fallen and the noise pollution is terrible. Maybe there has many other details cannot tell you directly and more details, but we can show our products for your reference. From the outside, you can check the quality of our fog canning. Like we use the best spare parts for our fog canning. 这个怎么开的嘞？哦 ，OK。For example, our spare parts use the well-known brands such as Sned, and the pumps we use the most famous brand like Southern pumps. You can see the spare parts inside. Fog canning is one of the most important diseases for dust suppression. It is very effective against the particles produced by mining, materials handling, waste disposal, stock pools, post facilities, constructions, and many other applications. Sanhua developed this system not only based on our 20 years experience with fog canning, but also thanks to extensive studies, calculations, models, and tests carried out by the Sanhua Research Institute. This is the fan of the fog canning. In 80 meters fog canning, there has 2 fans inside. This is make the fog particle is very small and connected. For spray canning, we have occupied the domestic market and have exported to many countries such as Russia, USA, Philippines, South Korea, Australia, Saudi Arabia, Peru, and so on. Dust in these countries has been controlled wonderfully, and the environment has become much better. Because we believe that every dust and environment problem is unique, we work closely with our customers to find the right solutions. Nowadays, we have to do our best. So, if you have the demand and the best solutions, you can contact us. Okay, thanks for your visiting. If you are interested and demand about the fog canning, you can contact us and leave your emails and WhatsApp number. We will contact you in short time. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
10分钟。